Hello everyone, welcome back to the Action RPG lessons. In this challenge lesson you'll create slime enemies and a spawner for them, which will work much like the bats and the bat spawner. First, add a slime class. The slime class will work just like the bat, so whatever code the bat has, make sure you copy it over. You can adjust the speed and health as much as you like. The slime spawner class will work just like the bat spawner, but we'll add one more variable, a boolean called spawning, and it equals false. Set up the spawner's loop so that it will only count up the spawn timer if spawning is true. Inside the boss room, add 3 to 4 slime spawners. Where you position them and how you set them up is up to you. If you're not sure, I'll give you an example at the end of the lesson here. In the boss room loop, if the slime boss is damaged, set all the slime spawners' spawning variable to true. Else, set it to false. This way, the slime spawners will only activate when the slime boss is damaged and hiding. Remember that you can check variables inside objects that the room has information on. Since the room created the slime boss in the start, you can access its variables just like you would the Z or the Y. If you're not sure how to set up your slime spawners, I have an example here in SketchPad. Here, I've created 4 spawners, and I've set 2 of the directions to left, and then these other 2 to right. So the slimes will start moving towards the middle and across the screen. Once again, where you position them is up to you. If you have a more creative idea, go for it. Try your hand at figuring this out before moving on to the next lesson. Good luck!